Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles Vlog. This is Attorney B and today guys we will open the newest baseball release here in America. This is the Topps Chrome 2024 Blasters. So do you want to see the contents of this box? Let's find out. Hello guys and welcome back to Attorney B's channel. Today guys we will open this one, Topps Chrome. Nirelease lang to last Wednesday. So today is Friday. So 2 days ago pa lang. Pinagkakaguluhan itong Topps Chrome kasi maraming magagandang makukuha dito. Tapos ang SSP dito, yung card ni Shohei Ohtani. Kasi yung mananalo ng MVP sa NL or AL sa baseball, yung base card nila, pag nanalo sila, kunyari si Shohei nanalo sa Los Angeles Dodgers, diba? Siya yung nanalo ng NL MVP or AL MVP. Yung base card niya, pwede mong ipa-redeem sa Topps. Tapos papalitan nila ng $20 ata per card or basta mas or mas mataas. So merong nakalagay dito yan Pero tignan natin. Meron tayong Su-272 pink refractors. At saka ang sabi nila maganda raw magbukas ng blaster kasi mas malaki yung chance of getting a autograph card. So, 28 total cards. So, ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7. Tapos, ilan per packs? Hindi nakalagay Basta 28 total cards nakalagay. Okay. Sige, subok. So, ayan. Tsaka maraming kulay raw to So, we have Wyatt Langford RC. Ayan, tignan nyo, puro may kulay. Jose Rodriguez, RC. Freddie Freeman. Green Wave. Oh, Joey Votto. 62 of 99. Grabe, low numbered. And Ke'Bryan Hayes from the Pirates. Ayan. Galing. Joey Votto, dating Cincinnati Reds. Tapos napunta na pala siya sa Toronto Blue Jays. So 62 of 99. Yes. Okay, next pack.
You got 2 hits.
Yeah, I got 2 hits. So sit down lang, P. I am with my nephew P. Say hi, P.
Hi.
There. Okay, Coco Montes here. Rookie. Lane Thomas. Fernando Tatis Jr. and Jordan Balazovic, Chrome RC. Ayan. Okay. Next pack. Bakit yan 4 lang? Yung una natin nakuha kanina.
I don't know.
Maganda. Yuri Perez, Trevor Story, Ke'Bryan Hayes, and we have a Julio Rodriguez. Nice. Si Julio Rodriguez yung pinakamagaling sa Seattle Mariners. Ayan, Julio Rodriguez. Strokes silver. Ganda. Next packet medyo makapal-kapal. Sana makakuha tayo ng auto.
Yeah.
Kahit na nakakuha na tayo ng low numbered card.
Yeah.
Okay. Owen White. Ito marami na naman. Owen White. Andy Rodriguez. Michael Harris. Curtis Med RC, pero parang and Chris Murphy, may tawag dito RC rin, Curtis Med RC. Ito yung parang yung black, yung walang color. Ganda. Okay,
it's up to the next hit.
Yeah. Ayan.
We're pack number
3 more packs.
Yeah, 3 more packs.
Yeah, sige. Ronnie Mauricio. Merong iba 5 packs. So may 5 cards. 5 cards sa iba, 4 cards lang.
Yes.
Ronnie Mauricio RC. Juan Soto from the Yankees. Alex Kirillov. And what is this? Ganda nito. Nationals, hindi RC. Joey Meneses. Imagine, isang box, dalawang numbered card.
Yeah.
Joey Meneses, 9 of 125. And Juan Soto pink again. Ganda,
2 more hits, guys.
Yeah, 2 more hits. 2 more hits, guys.
1 last hit.
Okay.
It's up to 1 last hit.
Spencer Horowitz. Eduardo Rodriguez. Byron Buxton and Johan Rojas RC. Okay, and the last pack.
1 last pack to hit.
1 more pack. Oo, ito medyo marami na naman. Jordan Lolar. Ito magaling to eh.
Yeah.
RC.
We got that.
Corbin Carroll. We have Jorge Soler. Uy, future stars. Yener Diaz and Emerson Hancock RC. Negative. Tawag nila dito negative. Ganda. Future stars. Yener Diaz.
Bye!
So, that's it guys. Wow, ganda ng Papakita ko lang yung best hits natin.
Watch to Attorney BPOs.
Yeah, watch Attorney BPO.
And also Tita Baji.
Yeah, Tito Bobo. So, here's our top hits guys. Dito sa blaster box natin. Joey Votto, number 299, saka Joey Meneses, number 2125.
Yeah, that's our hit.
Okay, so if you want to see more contents like this, please do like and subscribe to Attorney B's Cards.
Wait,
and Collectibles Vlog.
Pio and Attorney B. Right?
Yeah, Pio and Attorney B. Ayan, so till the next break guys. Bye!
Yeah. Bye!